everyone, Devika this side. So today I've got a quick walkthrough of this pretty magical unicorn album that I have made, and it's overloaded with unicorns. You'll come to know why in some time. I love the cover designing that I have done here, especially the shaker window that I have created, so you can just shake it up and have some fun. And it has a ribbon closure like this. The client wanted it personalized with the name, so I put the name at the spine here. Now I will give you the inside view of the complete album. So it opens up like this, and I'm just demonstrating the ways in which you can put photos and use the blank spaces here. So like I've got a photo here, so you can paste it here. I haven't obviously pasted because it's my client's scrapbook, and this is just for demonstrating. So like you can put the photo here, and then I love this pop-up mechanism. There are two unicorns that pop up. So there's a there's a portion here, so you can post your photos here. And then I've given ample amount of photo mats and pattern papers to do some journaling on, or to paste photos, whatever you want. And then I have given ample, many pockets here, so that you can put any amount of photos. Then here are some blank note cards for journaling or for photos, whatever you want, obviously in the unicorn theme. And here are some photos. Like you can see, I've just put 3 photos, and still there's a lot of space left, so you can put more photos. Now comes another pop-up mechanism, this one. Again I've given some sleeves here to put the photos, and this is the photo mat for pasting photos or for journaling. Similarly, I've given the same effect here, this side. Now comes the waterfall part. So I have given 5 pages here, so you can put the photos here and then write anything related to the photo or whatever right opposite to it. So I've got 5 pages here, again in the unicorn theme, and they have got magnetic closures so that it stays in space. Again some note cards for journaling and photos, or whatever you want to use it for. And comes another pop-up mechanism. Yeah, just a 3D effect this thing is giving. So again you can put the photos here. I've given the 3D effect here and here. This is the belly band area where you can again put note cards. And again space for photos. Or you can put these ones, so whatever you want. This is a swinging thread mechanism. Again there's space for some photos here. So as you can see, I've incorporated ample amount for the photos. And here comes another page. So the client wanted me to keep some blank spaces so that the niece could scribble on and use it for her own journaling. So that's why I made these blank note cards. But if you want, you can again use them for photos, for pasting photos, I mean here. So it can easily hold up to 10 photos on each side, or you can use it for journaling. Similarly here I have kept the space blank for journaling. but you can put photos. And this also has a magnetic closure. And here comes my favorite one, the magical castle. Yeah. So it's again, and the wobbly unicorn. And then let's come to the next page. I love the theme that is here, big, dream big and be happy. Again, you can put some photos here. Yeah, so you can put the small photos here. Again, blank space for journaling, but you can put any photo or do journaling. This again can hold up to 10 photos easily. This is the shaker window one. So when you shake it, it shakes. Again, blank space for photos or for journaling. And then it goes inside. Here comes another page with a pop-up mechanism and pockets to hold the photos and journaling cards. So it's spacious enough to put more photos. Here I've kept this blank so that you can write whatever you want. Again, space for photos and journaling. I'll tie the ribbon later. And here comes the last page of this scrapbook, which is, I'll do it like this. Can you see the amount of space it's there for the photos? And here comes the back side of the album. So this was a walkthrough of this album. I hope you all loved it. Thank you for stopping by. See you.